Back. So let's see what is the status for today, how the Nifty has traded. Even today Nifty has given 80 points, 81 points plus, and Banknifty is still in negative mode. It's not in a good proper mode. It's posted a red candle today. So as I told you yesterday, like Nifty seems like giving a gap up opening, and the same thing was happened today morning also. Let's see how it's traded today. Let's go for a 5 minutes chart. Okay, as I expected, last Friday Nifty has closed in 15,700. Sorry, 15,700, and as I expected, it's gap up open. It's open almost 15,768, and from there is a sell-off came, and it took a support on our red line, so which is here. This was our red line actually, 15,709. From here it's got a buyers has started to come and started to buy, and it touched the first target, and it straight away hit over almost day opening itself, and still it came back to our first target, and again it went all the way up to 15,800. 15,807 was the today's high. At the same time, if I take a look at the Bank Nifty, it still seems like negative side. The main reason for Bank Nifty are the underperformance of HDFC and HDFC banks. So they are the people who dragging the market down, and they are not giving a proper support to Nifty also. The Nifty is supposed to close almost 150, 100, 200 points. Since there is no proper support from the bank sector, so Nifty was trading only 84 plus points today. It's only the support of Reliance and IT sectors today. And today we'll see the FII data. It's 186 crores. They are net sellers today, and their participation almost 12,000 crores. And today market went up. The main reason is for the DII buy. They brought almost nearly 1,000 crores today. And last yesterday in the WhatsApp group I had shared call options to buy this L&T stock. I asked them to buy 1560 call option at 28 rupees, and it has given a nice rally. It's when it's closed almost 1541, and I asked them to buy at 1560 call option at 28 rupees. So it's went almost 38 rupees. It's almost you would have got 5,750 rupees profit within 10 to 15 minutes time. The same thing was happened in the WhatsApp group also. They had got a nice profit also. And before that, let me go to the Nifty key levels for tomorrow. Nifty key levels, let me have a look at the Nifty open interest. So Nifty open interest seems like positive mode only. In 15,700 huge put option has been written. At the same time, the upper side 16,000 call option has been heavily written. So it shows the market might trade in between 15,700 to 16,000. So it shows the positive indicate, and 15,700 there are a lot of call option has been wind up today. So it shows the market will go further higher only. In it might reach 16,000 before 10th of June or 10th of June. It seems like it may reach very easy them to target 16,000. And let us see the key levels. The key level seems, if it's break 15,801, you can go for a call option, and don't expect much much profit in the call side, because it's all-time high, and the top of that India VIX it's almost 15.5. So it indicates market will not move very significantly high or very significantly low. So market move very slowly only, and if it's break 15,769, you can take first target of 15,732 and 15,701 and 15,693. You can keep this market level. At the same time, Bank Nifty, let me go to the Bank Nifty open interest. So it seems like when comparing with last day open interest, it seemed like little positive side. So the put option and call option has been built up hugely in 35,500, and in the upper side it's 37,500. So it seems like slightly it's turning to the positive side. So there is a possibility market move higher side. Since last 3 to 4 weeks the Bank Nifty is still under performance, and we can expect good performance maybe coming another 4 to 5 trading section according to this open interest. And the Bank Nifty's key levels it's quite normal. I cannot make any much changes. If it's break 35,718, you can keep first target of 35,801 and 35,899, and if it's break 35,573, you can keep the first target of 35,447, 35,334 and 35,223. And there is a there is no much negative news. So in case market goes down also, you can once if in case if it's touch the red line or this target level, so immediately you can go for a call option. It will take you to the higher level. For an example, I can say the market cannot go down that much hugely. At the same time, you need to have a look at the Singapore Nifty also, how it's trading. So it's currently it's almost it's 7:30 now. So India VIX trading in red. So it seems like tomorrow Nifty and Bank Nifty might trade in the sideways. So if it's in the sideways, if you go for a call option and the put option also, it's going to be red only. The premium rate going to downside only. And couple of stocks should we watch tomorrow? Mahindra and Mahindra. So it seems like nice pattern over here. If you could see last 4 to 5 trading section, it's getting the support of 801. It's like a cup and handle pattern is trying to build up, and I'm expecting tomorrow or day after tomorrow it's may touch almost 859. That is a immediate resistance. So that's it for today. And L&D also has given a nice break up, yes. And Bandhan Bank also I used to keep on telling people for the swing trade. When it from 26th May onward, I started to say it's going to give a big blast in coming days. So I had given the intimation in between 300 to 279 you can go for accumulation, and its first target will be 326 and second 357. So it got sustained in 301 and got a good support over there, and it started to move higher. So immediate resistance will be 326 and next target will be 357. In my expectation, it will reach 357 by this month itself. That is what I'm expecting. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe the video also. And if you don't have a demat account, you can always open the demat account. The link has been given in the description. And that's it for today, and in case if I made any mistake, please let me know in the comment section so I'll correct myself. Thank you, bye, see you tomorrow.